As Ethereum is easing down on its rally and Bitcoin is chopping sideways, we are seeing other altcoins, guys, like Chainlink making a huge breakout. I have been preparing you guys for Chainlink already for a very long time, right? We have been buying Chainlink right here, and we have been seeing Chainlink right here in this consolidation zone. I even made a video a couple of days before we see this breakout right here, and right now we have seen this breakout and Chainlink is up approximately 25% from the resistance right here. So guys, this is going to be a topic of today's video together with the price of Bitcoin and altcoins. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm going to give you exact targets at what I'm watching right now in the charts. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Chainlink price action. But before we are jumping into the charts right here, guys, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. That is so much appreciated, guys. Now let's jump into Chainlink. Let's start with Chainlink as a difference. Yeah, guys, Chainlink has just been looking very bullish in the recent weeks. Why is that? So first of all, we are in a nice uptrend in the Bitcoin comparative, right? And after we have seen this capitulation, we had a structured declining channel where we have been trading in for quite a long time. We started the channel right here in September 2020, and then afterwards, at the end of this channel, we can see a reversal pattern. We broke the resistance of the channel, and then we were consolidating. And what I've said, guys, I've said a lot of times in my videos that right here, as long as we are not breaking back into that channel decisively, so not a wick like we are seeing like here, but really like the price coming back trading in this channel, then this is a consolidation period which is very bullish, which means that a lot of people are accumulating Chainlink and that we are going to see that breakout, that firework to the upside. This is the exact same thing, guys, I've said about Ethereum as well. Ethereum was moving sideways, and I also said, like, right now is the time to get your positions right. We are not seeing that firework tomorrow, but we are going to see it in the next days and weeks. It will come, so the best thing is to get a position right now. That was as well with Chainlink. Right here we can see we kept on trading above this bearish structure, so it really showed us that we broke out of that bearish structure. Then if we have a look at the volume, then we can see that the volume is increasing as well, which is bullish as well. So we break out of that bearish structure, and more Chainlink is being traded right here, and eventually we had this uptrend. And I remember, guys, I made a update right here on Chainlink. I made a short video right here showing you guys that, okay, right now the momentum in Chainlink is shifting to a more bullish momentum, and yeah, right here we can see that slowly we got that bullish momentum, and right now we broke out. So guys, I want to congratulate everyone who took this trade with me. This is a trade we have been talking already about so many times right here on the channel. And for all the members out there on the Blockchain Today, you guys had, of course, nice entry points and exit points. We traded Link in the US dollar comparative, right? This huge bull flag where we just reached the target. I can show it on the chart, but we also have been talking about Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, and that we can expect this breakout very soon. And now I want to talk about the first target that I'm watching. And the most important target that I'm watching right now is right here at approximately 95,000 Satoshi, slightly above it, because that is the 61.80% retracement level from the move right here, from the top till the bottom right here. And this is a macro Fibonacci level, guys. And normally when we are seeing a macro Fibonacci level, then normally this would show definitely some significance. So it makes sense also with the confluence in the past, like this level has been acting as resistance, it makes sense to get some form of resistance from this level. Then guys, let's go to Link in the US dollar comparative. This signal I've been sharing over on my member section over on the website. We had a nice uptrend bull flag formation. Right now we broke out to the upside. That was the trade as well. We had a conservative target slightly below $45 right there. This was a trade of approximately 21 to 22%. But of course, like I always said, you can leave your trade open. You can put your stop loss like below this actual target. And then right now, if you would have took this trade, guys, you would be up approximately 33%. So that is quite nice, guys. Congratulations to everybody who took this trade in the US dollar comparative. As you know, I'm mainly trading in the Bitcoin comparative because I want to get as much Bitcoin as possible. So yeah, guys, for everybody interested in becoming a member and getting that premium content over on the blockchaintoday.com, you can sign up on the blockchaintoday.com under the section member. Now, guys, let's go to the Bitcoin dominance, because this is something I want to have a quick talk about with you quickly about the Bitcoin dominance and the altcoins in general. Okay, so right now we are definitely approaching the hype stage of the cycle, right? A lot of people, you will see it as well, a lot of people in your environment, almost everybody is busy with crypto. Everybody's buying some form of a token, and you can see that the liquidity is leaving Bitcoin. This means that there is irrational investors behavior, and this is right now, it's very cool because we can make a lot of Bitcoin, we can make a lot of money, like trading Chainlink, trading other altcoins, right? But in the longer term time frame, guys, you really want to be careful with what's going on right now, because these altcoins gaining in the Bitcoin comparative is most of the time, almost all the time, a small periodical event. So right now we have a small period where alts are going to outperform Bitcoin, where a lot of liquidity will go into altcoins, but eventually, guys, that liquidity will evaporate, that liquidity will go. So it's very important to realize that. And I'm not talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum are different. They have the network effect, the infrastructure is laid out there. I'm really talking about cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, like small cap altcoins. Actually, most altcoins you can find on CoinMarketCap. There will always be exceptions, guys. Don't get me wrong, there will always be an exception which will perform good, but it's almost impossible to call them beforehand. Same like it was impossible in the dot-com bubble to already pick the Amazon and the Google, which we are seeing right now thriving very good in the technology world, right? So that is something I just wanted to point out, that right now we are in a period, guys, where a lot of liquidity is going into altcoins. There's a lot of irrational investors behavior, which is awesome. We have a huge altcoin season. We have been waiting for this moment so long. This is giving us so much opportunities to gain more Bitcoin, right? So therefore, it's also very important to make the right decisions in the coming months, but also do take in mind, guys, that this is a temporary periodical event and that eventually it will shift back. We will see something like we have seen right here, where the altcoins gain in the Bitcoin comparative right here, and that eventually we are going to see that reversal when the altcoins have seen the top of the hype, the profits of the altcoins are going back into Bitcoin, Bitcoin going to start this rally again, and eventually you can see it here as well. The majority of the liquidity in the crypto markets will be in Bitcoin, and I believe that will be as well a scenario of the future. I think the altcoins right now is just this part of the cycle which we have been talking about so much, which we have been predicting as well with these macro charts that we were looking at, right? We were expecting this major altcoin season, but we also have to recognize it as a periodical event like it is, right? So guys, we have been talking about it, right? That right here in 2017, we have seen the start of a major altcoin season. I've said many times right here that right now I believe we are seeing the same thing, right? We are at the early stages of that altcoin season. Coming months are going to bring tremendous opportunities to gain more Bitcoin with trading these altcoins. But do recognize, guys, do take in mind that this is a temporary event and that eventually you want to take profits back into Bitcoin. Then guys, when we have a look at the Bitcoin price action, and Bitcoin's price action is quite choppy, right? Right now we are looking at the, this is the 50-day moving average. We can see that we broke below it, we broke back above it. Right now we broke back below it. So right now definitely the attention is not really on Bitcoin. It's choppy price action, which brings the perfect storm for altcoin season, right? Bitcoin moving sideways. This is as well something I've been talking about over right here on YouTube, but as well on the member section on the blockchaintoday.com, guys, that once we are moving sideways right here, Bitcoin is seeing choppy price action. This is the perfect storm for altcoins, because when Bitcoin is moving stable and we are not seeing an extreme move to the upside or an extreme move to the downside, liquidity will go into altcoins. But right now we are not not seeing a clear direction, right? So I would also say it's very difficult right now, and maybe not even the best strategy at the moment to try and catch a lot of Bitcoin trades. I think the better strategy at the moment is really focus and try to get the nice altcoin trades in the Bitcoin comparative, take profit in Bitcoin, and make sure this bull run you can gain as much Bitcoin as possible. But yeah, when we have a look at the structure of Bitcoin, guys, then we can see that we had this rising wedge pattern. We broke down right here. We tested the first support. We got a small bounce. Then we broke that support as well. Like I've mentioned in yesterday's video, most likely we are going to break that support. Right now we are seeing a bullish divergence. So we have a higher low in the RSI right here, lower low in the price, which is causing for this bounce. Most likely we are going to test this resistance zone in the immediate short-term time frame. And yeah, if we can break above this level, that could be bullish, right, in this choppy price action. But yeah, definitely doesn't say anything about the clear direction of Bitcoin. But we could also see a rejection right here, and yeah, continue to see lower levels going to the next support zone right here at approximately 51,200, going down to approximately 50,800. But okay, guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, guys. If so, please do make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Then for every single one of you who is still interested in becoming a member on the blockchaintoday.com, there are still a couple of discounted spot left. So for everybody interested in that, make sure to take advantage and quickly reserve your discounted spot for $69 per month at the blockchaintoday.com under the section members. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day ahead, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.